Good morning, my dear children. This is Juhi Khurana, your English teacher. Today we are beginning with a new topic, that is pronouns. So let's start here. First of all, we need to understand what are pronouns. Pronouns are the words that take place of nouns, or we can say pronouns are the words that replace noun. For example, Ram is a good boy. Ram stands first in class. So in second sentence, noun word Ram will be replaced by a pronoun word he. So children, the words I, he, she, it, we, you, they are pronouns. Now, pronouns are further classified as singular and plural pronouns. In singular pronouns, we have words like I, he, she, it, and you, single person. Then in plural pronouns, we have we, they, you, plural. Now children, pronouns are of different kinds, that is personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns or emphatic pronouns, then demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns and relative pronouns. So children, let's learn pronouns in detail. Number 1, personal pronouns. Okay children, personal pronouns refer to people, animals, places or things. These are used as the subject of the verb. For example, Rahul is an intelligent boy. He is very hardworking. So the word he is personal pronoun or the subject. Now children, there are 3 kinds of personal pronouns. First person, second person and third person. First person is the person who is speaking. For example, I and we are first person. Now second person is the person who is spoken to. For example, you. And third person, the person who is spoken about. For example, he, she, it and they are third person. Okay, now personal pronouns are used as subject and object. So let's learn how do personal pronoun or subjects changes to object. So personal pronoun I will be changed as me and we will be changed as us. You, he, him, she, her, it, they, them. So children, the words me, us, you, him, her, it, them are also personal pronouns that are used as object of the verb or receivers of the particular action. Okay children, now number 2, possessive pronouns. These are the words that show possession. Okay, or we can say these pronouns are used to talk about things belonging to people. Okay children, for personal pronoun I, possessive pronoun will be mine. We, ours. You, yours. He, his. She, hers. It, its. They, theirs. Okay children, there is one more list of words. My, our, your, his, her, it and their. These words are possessive adjectives. Now let's understand what is the difference between possessive adjective and possessive pronouns. For example, that is your book. Here the word your is possessive adjective. Children, do remember possessive pronouns convey the same meaning as possessive adjectives. For example, that book is yours. The word yours here is possessive pronoun. Possessive adjectives are placed before the noun and possessive pronouns are placed after the noun. So children, let's revisit one more time possessive adjectives and possessive pronouns. Possessive adjective for word I is my and possessive pronoun is mine. And for we, our, ours. And for you, your, yours. He, his, his. She, her, hers. It, its. They, their, theirs. Okay children, now number 3, reflexive pronouns. Reflexive pronouns are formed by adding self or selves to personal pronouns. They generally refer back to the subject of the sentence. So children, let's learn how do we convert personal pronouns to reflexive pronouns. For singular person, we add self, and for plural pronouns, we add selves. We can see here in this table, personal pronoun I is converted as myself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, they, themselves, we, ourselves, you, yourself for singular person and yourselves for plural person. For example, he did this work himself. I am doing this myself. So words himself and myself are reflexive pronouns. Okay children, now number 4, demonstrative pronouns. A demonstrative pronoun points out the person or the object it refers to. The words this, that, these and those are demonstrative pronouns. So children, demonstrative pronouns are classified as singular demonstrative pronouns and plural demonstrative pronouns. Singular demonstrative pronouns are this and that. Plural demonstrative pronouns are these and those. Let's understand with the help of examples. This and these refer to persons or things nearer to the speaker. And that and those refer to person or things at a distance from the speaker. Now see, for singular, this is a pen, that is a bat. And for plural case, these are pens, those are bats. So number 5, interrogative pronouns. These are the words which are used for asking questions, that is, who, whose, whom, which and what. Let's understand their usage. So, word what is used for asking about things in general. For example, what is your name? What did you say? Now, word which is used for asking a question about a person or a thing. For example, which is your pen? Which is your hat? Okay children, the words who, whom and whose are used for asking questions about person. For example, who are you? Who is knocking at the door? Then whom? Examples, by whom are you taught English? Whom did they choose captain? Now word whose. Whose book is this? Whose pencil is this? Okay children. Let's move to number 6, indefinite pronouns. These are the words which refer to persons or things in a general way. So children, the words someone or somebody, something, anyone, anybody, anything, these words are indefinite pronouns. Let's understand their usage. Now word someone or somebody. Someone or somebody is used when we talk about a person in general. For example, someone or somebody is waiting for you outside. It means कोई आपका बाहर दरवाजे पर इंतजार कर रहा है. So the noun here is unspecific. Now something is used when we talk about a thing in general. For example, I have something to share with you all. Now, anyone and anybody. We usually use these words in negative sentences and questions. For example, I can't see anybody in the class. Has anyone seen my notebook? Now, anything. This word is used in negative sentences and questions. For example, do you need anything else? I haven't done anything. So children, do remember the words anyone, anybody and anything can be used in positive sentences. For example, I saw anyone or I saw anybody there in the room. मतलब मैंने किसी को वहां कमरे में देखा है. Now, I can do anything for you. So children, in these sentences, the words anyone, anything and anybody are used in positive sense. Now number 7, relative pronouns. These are the words that refer to the nouns mentioned before. The words who, whom, whose, which and that are relative pronouns. So children, let's understand their usage. The words who, whom and whose are used for persons, animals and non-living things. तो जो words हैं who, whom and whose, इसे हम persons के लिए, animals के लिए और non-living things के लिए use करते हैं. For example, who? The boy who beat me yesterday is absent today. So the word who is relative pronoun and it is used for the noun boy. Okay, now whom? Shylock, whom Antonio owed 2,000 ducats, asked for a pound of flesh. Now word whom is a relative pronoun again and it is used for the noun word Shylock. Now whose? This is the girl whose father was killed in the war. That is used for persons and non-living things. For example, this is the house that Jack built. Now that is again relative pronoun and it is used for the word house. Now we can see another example. She is the girl that stands first in class. Now relative pronoun that is used for a noun word girl. Okay, now which is used for animals and things. For example, the horse which won the race yesterday is sick today. So relative pronoun which is used here for a noun word horse. Now in another sentence, the boat which Sivamani bought last year has sunk. Now again, which is a relative pronoun used for the noun word boat. Okay children, I hope you understood the topic well.